welcome to my channel. Today we are doing something super easy, but for some people it's hard. We are making eggs. Yeah, I know. Is this a joke? No, it's not a joke. I'm serious. Some of you guys do not know how to make eggs. And you know what? That's alright. You know, we gotta learn how to do things. We can't just be expected to do it right, correct? Alright. Well, anyway, I'm doing this video because I see a lot of videos out there. Not only that, I don't care if your video is cooking one way. I respect that. The thing that gets me is when I go to a restaurant and I'm paying money for something so easy as eggs and you're giving me some burnt eggs. That is not cool, man. So anyway, I got my pan. It's warming up. I'm going to throw a real small piece of butter on top. And that's it. We're going to let that go for a minute. Now anyway, so today we'll be doing some scrambled eggs. However, we are going to be mixing in some green bell pepper and some onion. Nice and easy, nice and simple. Now, pepper and onion, they go together really, really well. Pepper and onion is like, I don't know, Tango and Cash, I guess you could say. Anyway, alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to wait a minute, let the butter just cook down for a second, get that pan all nice and greased up. So for the eggs, got 3 extra large eggs. I like buying extra large, but you know, whatever. Sometimes I get what's on sale, but I like the extra large. Now I threw some cracked black pepper in there and a very little bit of salt. I did a little bit of salt because I'm trying to watch my my salt intake. I'm using a fork, I'm not using a whisk. Feel free to use whatever works for you. This is just too easy. Do it this way, it's too easy. And that's all I'm doing, just like that. Now I'm just going to do it just for a little while, less than 30 seconds. That's it. Right there, boom, that's it. Now I'm just going to hit this and stir this real fast right before I put it on. So you can see our butter is nice and good right now. What I'm going to do is I'm going to dump the slice of onion, and this is probably about, this is less than a quarter of green pepper. And it's 1 slice of sweet onion. And that's it. I'm going to let that go. We're going to let it caramelize, we could say. No, I don't want to say caramelize. We're going to let it become translucent, and we'll take it from there. So we're just going to give it, it's going to take about a minute, maybe 2. Alright guys, so you can see we're starting to get that translucent color. Now it's up to you. You want to put the eggs in now? You put it in now. You want to wait, let it go longer? By all means, go wait. But I'm going to put mine in now. Now, at this point, you need your eggs ready. Ours are ready. They're good to go. Alright, because at this point, it's going to be a super, super fast process. Alright, so we're just going to pour it in. We want it all over the place. All over the place. Alright. Now at this point, we gotta start moving our eggs around. Try to get all the egg all over the pan. Move it around. Move it around. Alright, so I'm going to kill the heat. We don't need any more heat. This, I'm going to flip over. I'm going to give this thing 10 to 20 seconds. That's it. Now you can see there's no burning on the eggs. That is what I'm looking for. You start getting that crusty brown look, those eggs are burnt. They still might be good, they might taste good, but they're burnt. Now, I don't like my eggs burnt. That's me, though. Alright, we killed the heat. I'm bringing your plate over. Got a little toast here. That's it. You see that, guys? Let's see if we get a better shot on that. There we go. That's it. It is done. It's a wrap. Little piece here. That's it, guys. You saw how easy that was. That was too easy, man. Our eggs are nice and fluffy. They're not burnt. Good to go, man. Good to go. All right, guys. I'm just gonna throw on this Grandpa's Best. My face is melting. Hot sauce. This is really good. This is super hot. I forgot where I got this from, but it's super hot. It's definitely no joke. And it has a little barbecue sauce taste to it too. It's pretty good. Anyway, guys, listen. I know this video is gonna be funny for some. It's not meant for that. It's really meant for the people who think they know how to cook eggs and they are charging me money when I go to a diner, a restaurant, and order something so simple. Stop burning my eggs, please. Nice and easy. This is too easy, and it takes 2 seconds. All right, guys. You guys enjoy. Thanks for watching. Till next time.